Yesterday I bought uh, a sound effects pack. I don't know why. I honestly don't need a bunch of sound effects, but I am so tickled with having a ton of sound effects. I mean, who doesn't want to have the sound of someone getting kicked or a bunch of gunshots or just straight up giant explosions? I don't even mind little tiny magic sounds or twinkles or bells. I like the idea that I can just go ahead and I will never do it, but because that's who I am. But I love the idea of just adding sound effects to every. I wonder if I should. I wonder if I could just add sound effects to cover up my swearing because those
Ah!
like swearing, you know, and, and I think it'd be funny to do that. Anyways, I just think it's really funny. So yeah, live and let live, right?